Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Today we're going to be looking to close off our trilogy of tutorials on Microsoft Teams. Now, in the first two we looked at the basic functionality that you need to know to use the application effectively on Mac OS. We covered calls, screen sharing, worked on files, messages and posts, and also scheduled meetings. Today I want to close off by looking at some of the applications that can be used within Teams itself, as well as how we can configure connectors that feed content into our Teams channels. We'll also be looking at the Teams application on iOS, because it's really useful to use when you're on the go and not sat in front of your desk. Okay, let's kick off by taking a look at some of the applications that we can leverage and how we can get to them. There's a few places that we can get to these apps from. We'll start by clicking on these ellipses here that hide some key applications that we can open. So lots of these are built in, and some of the key ones to check out are OneNote, which, if you don't know already, is Microsoft's version of Evernote, I guess. And in my opinion, it is a massively underused application. It's really good, especially if you have a 365 subscription. We also have Planner, which we will take a quick look at later, I think, as this allows you to configure tasks and light project plans for the teams. Shifts allows you to create a work schedule for the team, and Stream is the 365 equivalent of YouTube for your own internal media. And at the bottom there, Who is a bot in Teams that allows you to find out information about anyone in your organization. Now, at the moment, they're currently sorted by most recently accessed, but you can change it here to an A to Z sort. And to get to more applications than this, I'll click on More Apps in the bottom right-hand corner. So here we have a lot of apps, and there are far too many to cover here. I strongly suggest that you go away and take a look at some that may suit a purpose for you or solve a problem that you or your team has. It is an easy interface to navigate here. We've got our categories of application down the left. I'll click on Top Picks, for example. And then on the right in the main window, there's a curated list of some of the recommended applications. I'll go back to the left, and what do we have? I'll click on Productivity, because we all love productivity, right? And there are just hundreds of applications that you can link into Teams. If you know that there's an application you specifically want to incorporate, then type it in the search field up here. I'll search for Trello, for example. And there it is at the top right there. Now we will look at adding this shortly. However, for now, I think it would be best if we just physically use a couple of the built-in applications like OneNote and build ourselves up to this one. So I'll close this window here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.